Have you ever wondered how to talk about something that happened yesterday, last week, or years ago? Then you need to learn the simple past tense. In the next 2 minutes, I'll explain it in the easiest way possible. The simple past tense is used to describe an action that started and finished in the past. The formula is subject plus second form of verb plus object. Examples are: I played cricket yesterday, she watched a movie last night, they visited Delhi last month. For negative sentences, use the formula subject plus did not plus first form of verb. Examples are: I did not play cricket yesterday, she didn't watch a movie last night. Notes that after did not we use the first form of the verb. For questions, we use the formula did plus subject plus first form of verb plus object. Examples are: did you play cricket yesterday? Did she watch the movie? Did they visit Delhi? Simple past tense is often used with yesterday, last week, last month, last year, 2 years ago, in 2020. Examples are: I met him yesterday, we traveled to Kashmir last year. Practice session. Convert this sentence into the past tense. I go to school. The answer is I went to school. Great job. That's it. The simple past tense is used for actions that happened and finished in the past. If this video helped you, like, share and subscribe for more easy English grammar lessons. See you in the next video.